guys, I'm Hendo, and today I'm showing you how to cosplay Jean from Genshin Impact. I'm super excited to be sponsored by this game. It's an open world JRPG with an absolutely beautiful atmosphere and some killer character designs. It kind of feels like Breath of the Wild, but with waifus, and kind of more intense combat, and some crafting, and of course, pulls for characters and weapons. Jean is a 5-star, just saying. It's available now on mobile, PC, and PS4, and it's a cross-platform game. Genshin Impact has asked me to recreate an entire character, and I decided to pick Jean. She's a Knight of Mondstadt, and she's a master of discipline and swordsmanship. And with an amazing prop like that, I couldn't say no. She's called the Dandelion Knight, and she's one of the most powerful characters in the game. She's not only a really good fighter, she also has healing powers. And her element is wind. She's beautiful, stoic, and regal, and as an homage to that, I'm gonna do something a little bit different and shut up and just let the character design and the craftsmanship speak for itself as I show you my process. So without further ado, let's craft. much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this build of my Jean cosplay, and I hope you get to check out Genshin Impact for yourself. Today is the launch date, and if you log in between now and the 1.1 update, you'll get some extra stuff, like the Wings of Companionship and some extra crafting materials. You can also get extra stuff by participating in the IRL launch event, which involves looking at social media and finding pieces of this secret puzzle, and then posting it to your social media. I'll provide a link for that down in the description. If you'd like to see a more in-depth tutorial for any of the techniques that I use in this build, let me know down in the comments. And if you play Genshin Impact, let me know which character is your favorite. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Hendo, and until next time, thank you for crafting with me.